In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom HTML to your Weebly website with this quick guide. Customizing your website with HTML can really make your site stand out, allowing you to tailor it exactly to your needs and style. So let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to head over to your Weebly site's editor. Now, if you're not already there, go ahead and log into your Weebly account. Once you're in the editor, locate the top bar on the screen. Here, you'll find various tabs like Build and Pages. But today, we're going to click on the one labeled Theme. The Theme tab is where you can manage the visual components of your site, from colors and fonts to, as we'll do today, custom code. After clicking on Theme, you should see a button or option that says Edit HTML or CSS. Go ahead and click that. This will take you to the code editor, which is essentially the behind-the-scenes area of your website. Here, you can dive into the HTML and CSS that form the basic structure and design of your site. Don't worry if this seems a bit daunting. With a few clicks, adding your custom HTML is relatively straightforward. Once within the code editor of your Weebly site, you'll have the freedom to modify existing code or add new bits of custom HTML. Whether you're embedding a special widget, creating a customized section, or tweaking the design layout, this is where you can make it happen. Just ensure you know what parts of the code you're adjusting, as changes here will directly affect how your site appears. And there you have it. That's all there is to it for editing the HTML directly. But there is another way you can incorporate custom code into your site if that process feels a bit too complex, or if you only need a small segment of code on a specific page. You can also add a code embed element directly onto your site through the content options. Simply navigate back to your editing dashboard, look for the embed code element, and drag it to the desired location on your page. Then you just paste your custom HTML code into the box provided. This method is particularly useful for minor customizations, or adding third-party widgets without needing to navigate the entire theme's code. So, whether you're diving deep into the theme's HTML or just spicing things up with a quick code embed, these are your go-to methods for adding custom HTML to your Weebly site. Feel free to experiment with your updates, and remember, Weebly's editor keeps a version history, so you can always backtrack if needed. Enjoy customizing your website and making it truly your own. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!